There are a number of reasons why Motus is South Africa's leading automotive group and a partner of choice in the UK and Australia. Let's count them. Our story began with one dealership over 70 years ago in downtown Johannesburg. We built our business on three cornerstones: leadership, innovation, and customer championing. Today, Motus has over 500 dealerships around the world, and we retail 1 in every 5 vehicles in South Africa. Motus imports and is the exclusive distributor of 4 international brands with a 16% controllable market share in South Africa and with a footprint of over 340 dealerships. We represent 24 OEMs in South Africa. We retail over 220,000 new and pre-owned vehicles annually. We have more than 90 car rental outlets in Southern Africa. Our aftermarket part retail stores number 570, of which we own 100. Motus Financial Services manages a wide range of value-added products on more than 760,000 vehicles, including third-party products. We have annual group revenue of over 87 billion rand. Our Motus Community Trust has built 52 resource centers that give daily access to over 60,000 learners, and our road safety program has reached 1.8 million learners. The Unjani Clinic Network provides healthcare access to underserved communities with more than 90 clinics. And what of tomorrow? We will drive into our future with one goal in mind: to be a leader and preferred partner in the automotive industry. Motus, mobility for good.